Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the mesh and frame so you know what to fix and why. If the frame is bent, you'll repair metal first, otherwise proceed to mesh. Remove any loose trim and unscrew the screen frame while keeping hardware organized. Make sure to measure the opening to pick the correct replacement mesh and spline size. Once done, lay the frame on a flat surface, clean the spline channel of old glue and debris, and confirm you have a new spline and mesh cut 2-3 inches over size. You now fit the new mesh. Lay it taut over the frame and clamp one side or use a heavy object to hold it while you work. This prevents shifting. Starting on the opposite side, press the spline into the channel with a spline roller, moving steadily to distribute tension. This seating step holds the mesh and prevents sag. Once two opposing sides are secure, work the remaining sides and recheck tension. When smooth, trim excess mesh leaving clean corners, and reinstall corner keys or clips if present. You finish by reinstalling the screen frame into the door, fastening screws evenly and testing the door swing to ensure nothing binds. If a warped frame caused earlier problems, correct that before tightening fully. Perform a tactile check for soft spots where the spline isn't seated, and visually scan for puckers or gaps along edges. If found, lift the spline section slightly and reseat with the roller to remove slack. If the mesh still sags later, replace the spline with a larger diameter or retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.